Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. In this video, we are going to discuss about central metal atom or ion in coordination compound. What is meant by central metal atom? Which metal atom acts as central metal atom and ion? According to the scientist Lewis, the central metal atom or ion is a Lewis acid. Central metal atom or ion is a Lewis acid. According to Lewis, what is meant by acid? An acid is electron acceptor. The central metal atom or ion accept a pair of electrons from donor. Usually the central metal ion, not atom, usually the central metal ion is positively charged because metal always loses electron and becomes positive ion. It is positively charged. Metals lose electron becomes positively charged ion. If metal is in ionic state, nothing but it is positively charged. Among the four black elements, S black, P black, D black and F black, generally transition metal ion. Nothing but D black element metal ion acts as central metal ion. Now the question is, why D black element metal ion form central metal ion in the coordination compound? Not S and P, but D black element form central metal ion in a coordination compound. The reason is, if a metal ion occupies the center position of the complex, the central metal ion have smaller in size. And central metal ion have high positive density, high positive electron density. It has smaller in size and high positive charge density. And also one more reason for the transition metal ion act as central metal ion is the transition element D black elements having vacant d orbital, therefore accept pair of electron from the donor. From the donor. So, central metal ion is usually a d block element metal ion. Why d block element metal ion act as central metal ion? Because they are having vacant d orbital. That vacant d orbital used to accept pair of electron or electron from the donor. Due to these two reasons, the transition metal ion acts as a central metal ion. What is meant by that word central? Why it is called central atom or central ion? The central metal atom is the one that occupy the central position in the coordination entity and bind other atoms or group of atoms called ligand to itself through a coordinate covalent bond. Once again I tell what is meant by central metal ion or central metal atom. The central metal atom or ion is the one that occupies the central position in the coordination entity and binds other atoms or groups of atoms called ligand to itself through a coordinate covalent bond. For example, a very known example is K4 Fe CN6, common name is potassium ferrocyanide. What is the central metal atom in potassium ferrocyanide? Fe2 plus is the central metal atom in this complex. It is smaller in size and have high positive charge density. Fe has vacant d orbital and accept the electrons donated from the donor called ligand. It is the central metal atom or ion which bind the other atoms or group of atoms to itself through a coordinate covalent bond. What are the metal ion or atom act as central metal ion? In monopositive, I will give two examples in monopositive. Monopositive transition metal ion. Silver plus Ag plus means plus 1 and gold monopositive. Gold monopositive. Under 2 plus Zn 2 plus copper 2 plus we have nickel 2 plus and 4 plus, platinum 2 plus and 4 plus, palladium 2 plus and 4 plus. Under 3 plus ion we have cobalt 3 plus, chromium 3 plus, Fe 3 plus, Fe 2 plus, Fe 2 plus. Nickel also exists in 4 plus, platinum also exists in 4 plus, palladium also exists in 4 plus. So mostly these ions are act as, these are all d black element metal ion, act as central metal atom or central metal ion. How to name these metal ion in coordination compound? How to name the central metal ion? The naming is very easy. Along with the symbol, you have to remember the symbolic name also. Element silver is monopositive. If silver is present in cationic complex, there is no change. You can give the name as silver. There is no change. You can give the name as silver. But what is the actual symbolic name? Ag is argentum. Ag is argentum. It is silver. If the same silver is present in anionic complex, the name end with the 8. The symbolic name, not silver, symbolic name, argentum. The name end with the 8, argentate. Then next symbol, monopositive ion, we have gold, Au, gold. The actual name of Au is aurum. If the Au is present in cationic complex, you can simply write the name as gold. But if Au, gold, present in anionic complex, the name end with the 8. Aurate, not goldate, it is aurate. Actual symbol name end with the 8. 2 plus, come to 2 plus ion. Copper, Cu symbol. What is the actual name of Cu? Cuprum. It is obtained from Cyprus island, therefore named as cuprum. If copper present in cationic complex, there is no change. You can give the name as copper. If the same copper is present in anionic complex, the actual symbolic name, cuprum, therefore end with cuprate. Then 2 plus ion, example, transition metal ion, nickel. Symbolic name is nickel. There is no change. If nickel present in cationic complex, you can name it as nickel. But in the anionic complex, nickel name end with 8. Nickelate. Anionic name end. If nickel present in anionic complex, the name end with 8. Nickelate. 2 plus ion. One more example. Platinum. There is no change. Platinum. If it is present in both cationic and anionic complex, the name is given as such, platinum. If platinum is present in anionic complex, the name end with 8, it is platinate. 2 plus ion, zinc, the last element in the first transition series, atomic number 30. In the case of cationic complex, the name is only zinc. If zinc is present in anionic complex, the name end with 8. Zingate. The name end with ate, zingate. Come to 4 plus ion, 3 plus ion first. Cobalt, CO. Symbolic name, there is no change. Capital C, small o. If capital C, capital O means it is carbonyl. So, cobalt. In the cationic complex, the name is cobalt only. Cobalt only. If cobalt is present in anionic complex, the name is cobaltate. Cobaltate. Name end with AT, cobaltate. If the central metal ion is chromium, Cr, Cr, chromium, central metal atom or ion, if it is present in cationic complex, there is no change. Name as such, you can write chromium. If same chromium present in anionic complex, name end with ate, chromate. Name end with ate, chromate. Then next element, next metal is after chromium 3 plus ion, Fe may be in ferrous or ferric, Fe. The actual name of iron is ferrum. Ferrum. In the cationic complexes, you can simply write ion, iron, I-R-O-N. Simply you can write iron. If Fe is present in anionic complex, actual symbolic name we have to write as ferrate. Name end with ate, ferrate. All these are transition element. Some of the P black element also act as a central metal ion. Some of the P black element also act as a central metal ion. What are they and what is the name of it? Some of the P black element metal ion also act as a central metal atom or ion. First one is Sn. The actual symbolic name tin or stannum. Stannum. If Sn is present in cationic complex, the name is simply tin. Name is simply tin. If it is present in anionic complex, the actual symbolic name stannate. Stannate. One more P black element metal is Pb. Pb. Actual symbolic name is plumbum. Plumbum. If Pb is present in cationic complex, there is no change. You can simply tell lead. Pb is lead. If Pb is present in anionic complex, the name starting with the actual symbolic name ending with ate, therefore plumbate. Plumbate. P black element act as central metal ion or atom is aluminium, Al. Aluminium, Al. Symbolic name is aluminium, Al. If it is present in cationic complex, the name is same as aluminium. There is no change. Aluminium. The name is aluminium. If aluminum is present in the anionic complex, the name end with 8, aluminate. Name end with 8, aluminate. All these are central metal atom or ion. If it is present in cationic complex, there is no change. If it is present in anionic complex, you have to write the name by the actual symbolic name end with ATE. Where central metal atoms are present. In metal carbonyl, main point is metal carbonyl. In metal carbonyl, mostly central metal atoms are present, not ions are present, because all carbonyls are neutral ligand. Example, nickel tetracarbonyl, in which the oxidation state of nickel 0, carbonyl is a neutral ligand, charge equal to 0. Iron pentacarbonyl, iron oxidation state is 0, carbonyl is a neutral ligand, it is a neutral complex. Cobalt hexacarbonyl, CO, cobalt, hexacarbonyl, CO, 6 times, in which cobalt is a central metal atom, not ion. CO is a carbonyl ligand, charge equal to 0. So, in metal carbonyl, or if a complex containing more number of carbonyl along with the other neutral ligand. More number of carbonyl along with the other neutral ion. The oxidation state of the central metal atom is 0. Oxidation state of central metal atom is 0. For example, one chromium complex in which the central metal atom is present. Cr, pH thrice, CO 5 times. If carbonyl is present, if all the ligands are carbonyl or carbonyl is present along with the neutral ligand, the central metal atom get 0 neutral charge atom, not ion. All these are negative. All these are neutral ligand. Therefore, charge 0. If all the charges are 0, the charge on the complex is 0, it is called neutral complexes. This is about central metal atom or ion in coordination chemistry. Next video, we will discuss about ligands. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.